Okay, let me go to ebay.com, seller hub, payment summary. Gonna get me some cash. What? No. What? No!
Hey, Midwest Picker here. My name is Dave. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to the channel. This is a very short video about an eBay glitch, and the reason I'm sharing this is because it might impact you. And this is huge. eBay has got a history of glitches. The website, from what I've been told by people smarter than me, is very antiquated as far as the coding and the scripts and all that. So anyway, big history of eBay glitches, massive glitches. But I discovered this one yesterday, and I want to tell you all about it. So I went to the eBay website, and then I went to the seller hub, and then I went to the payment summary. Now earlier that morning I withdrew 30 bucks. I don't have scheduled payments or scheduled withdrawals. I just pull money out whenever I feel like it. So that morning I withdrew $30, and then later in the evening I went into the seller hub and I was doing my business and creating listings and doing whatever, and I went to the payment summary, and then I went down and I looked at my balance. My balance was supposed to be 5 cents because I have $80 in pending money from sales, and my balance was negative $19.95. What? Not a good day. So then I went over to the right side of the screen and I looked at recent activity, and I noticed a single item had an insertion fee for 20 bucks. 20 bucks. So my balance was supposed to be 5 cents because $80 is pending, and I pulled money out. No big deal, probably be there tomorrow. $79.95, whatever. But instead of 5 cents, my balance was negative $19.95. Now, if you don't know, if you're new to eBay and you don't own an eBay store, you get charged a very small fee called an insertion fee every time you do a listing. I have a basic eBay store that I pay for. I think it's like $24.95 a month. I get 1,000 free listings. Now, there are caveats and exceptions, like eBay Motors. I might still have to pay a small insertion fee for that. If you pick a second category, there's like a 20-cent insertion fee, something like that. There is nothing in the history of eBay where they charge you 20 bucks just to list an item. I thought, no way, this has got to be a glitch. I'm kind of lazy. I only list like 1 or 2 items a week. I do the whole end and sell similar. Every couple days I'll do 25 here, 25 there. I don't come close to 1,000 a month. Sort of close, but not anywhere near 1,000. So I hit the help button and got that worthless help chat AI bot. It's totally worthless. I put in there, I want to talk to a human. I had to say it a couple times, and then boom, it said a representative will call you in 13 minutes. Holy cow. Now, I don't know if it's because I own a store, or if it because it was 8 p.m. I live in Eastern Daylight Time. I think eBay is Central. I don't know. But 13 minutes, I got a phone call. Now, this was a female. She sounded kind of like she was stoned, probably working out of her basement. I don't know. She has no idea how eBay works. She could see my account, and she could see my recent activity, and explained to her there's a glitch, $20 insertion fee, what's going on? And that was nice, like I'm always nice. And she proceeded to tell me like, oh, I'm not sure, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. And I said, do you want the item number? And she said, no. Do you have the order number? And I said, I'm a seller. This is not about an order. This is about an insertion fee. And she kind of sounded like she was a little trippy. I said, oh, right, yeah, insertion fee, all right. Let me have you talk to somebody else. So thank goodness she transferred me to somebody else who knows how to spell eBay, and they know what I'm talking about. Very nice lady came on. I explained to her again, I have a store. I checked my recent activity. There's an insertion fee for 20 bucks. Doesn't make any sense. And she said, yeah, I agree. That doesn't make any sense at all. She looked at my account. She could see it wasn't eBay Motors. It wasn't over my 1,000. Even if it was, it would be chump change. And she said, I have no idea how this happened, but you were overcharged $20. let me fix it. Clackety clack clack on her keyboard. I refreshed the website. Boom, my money was right back. So if you're a casual eBay seller, you might not even know there's a section called recent activity. If you are a high volume seller, you're probably in your seller hub all the time, looking at your payment summary all the time. But I'm going to show you how to check real quick, because if you have a glitch and eBay took or stole $5, $3, you might not notice that. But this was 20 bucks, and I noticed if you're a high volume seller, I mean, you're selling hundreds of dollars a day, thousands of dollars a week, they could have a glitch of 80 bucks, 100 bucks, and you might not notice. It could slip through the cracks. So whether you're a casual seller or a high volume seller, I recommend you check your recent activity every other day. And it only takes a second, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's a screenshot of my seller hub. This is basically, obviously, eBay's website. You go to your seller hub, and over here, towards the right a little bit, you'll see an arrow, and it's the payments tab. In the drop down, click the summary. Then to the right is your recent activity. Look for errors, mistakes, glitches. There should be normal things like promoted listing fees, final value fees, postage, all the money in, all the money out, sales, all that kind of stuff. And if you see a final value fee that doesn't make sense, or an insertion fee that doesn't make sense, check it closely, because holy cow, what a mess. So again, I advise you to do this every couple days. The person that helped me from eBay said this was a one-off. She doesn't know how it happened. But if I had not found it, eBay's not going to find it. They're not going to look for glitches and pay you back. It's your job to look for glitches, and it's your job to save your money, protect your money, and get it back. So that's the video, guys. Put down in the comments, does this ever happen to you? Is this a one-off? Or do you think this is a trend, like a major glitch affecting the whole platform, sellers across the world? Or is it just me? I want to know about your glitch stories. Have you found money that eBay tried to take and you caught them and you got paid back? I want to hear all of your stories. Put down in the comments, hit that thumbs up on your way out. I'm going to start making more videos. I always say that, but I really am. Thanks for visiting. Until next time, see ya.